Hey, what's going on, guys? Keith here, and right now I want to show you a feature inside of Prompt ROI when you're creating your own prompts or when you're installing a collection of prompts that people might not be aware of, and it's the ability to be able to speak out the audio description of your prompt and allow the system to create a voiceover in real time. Let me show you what I mean. So if I go over here, and I'm just going to go back to the home page here at aiworks.ai, and I'm going to go to start. So right out of the gate, we always start with these 3 prompts because anyone that's running prompts with AI is going to need a target audience that's going to be injected into that prompt when they run it so that the AI can speak to that target audience. It's going to need a brand voice so that the AI can write using the brand voice guidelines, and it's going to need a set of custom instructions to make sure that the AI sounds human, right? And sounds like what you're looking for. So with these 3 pieces of customization, which every prompt that you could run inside of our Prompt ROI system has the ability to be able to use a bunch of different instructions, brand voices, audiences, mix and match, and be able to really create some amazing outputs using the prompts that we've created already inside of here. So what I want to show you is if I open up the simple brand voice, you're going to notice I have this 17-second audio. Let's go ahead and play that.
Similar to the target audience prompt, this simple brand voice prompt allows you to enter 3 variables about your brand and get back a well-written set of instructions that you can use inside of aiworks.ai to apply to all the other prompts that you run inside of the system.
So that was actually, that's the simple brand voice, right? So perfect. And then if I go to the and if I come back here to start and I use the target audience, it's going to have one already, and custom instructions doesn't have one yet. So let's go ahead and create one, right? So let's go inside here. I'm going to click. And by the way, I want to show you something. You can see that these are all part of a collection. So these are all prompts that you can install inside of your marketplace, your own private writing tool, right? If I click over here on custom instructions and I click through these first few steps, I'm going to go into right here, and we can have one already. I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to go ahead and see down here where it says upload audio instructions. So you can actually upload a file here, or we can record and use one of these voiceovers. I like Alloy, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so now we have the custom instructions prompt. This prompt is going to allow you to create a set of concise instructions for the AI so that you can get it to write in a manner that you prefer. We click the stop button there, and it's going to go ahead and pop up in a second with our voiceover. And let's play it.
Okay, so now we have the custom instructions prompt. This prompt is going to allow you to create a set of concise instructions for the AI so that you can get it to write in a manner that you prefer.
Perfect. So now we're good, right? We go in here, we hit publish prompt, and now what's amazing about this is that when your users, your employees or people that work for your company or team members or freelancers, or if you're a reseller, your customers and their users can come in here, and when they go in your particular store and they click here, now they can come in and listen and get that perspective. Now you can put a video here as well, right? Which I think is amazing because now this prompt becomes a video training course, right? And you can decide if you want people to be able to see it or not, if they're not signed up or if they, if they're in the free version, right? So we have the audio here that tells them exactly what's going to happen. They come down here, they describe the output that they're looking for, hit generate, and then their custom instructions are generated right here. Amazing. I just wanted to make sure that you guys are fully aware that you can actually go in and use your own voice to just speak out the instructions of your prompt and then let a nice voiceover take over, because like my voice, I wish my voice wasn't here. I'm glad my voice is here, but I wish my voice wasn't so deep. But anyway, it is. And so Alloy sounds soft and she sounds much better, and it's nice to have that function. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day so far, and let me know if you have any questions. By the way, before I go, you can sign up at Prompt ROI for an ambassador offer that's running right now. Coupon code ambassador. Get signed up for Prompt ROI for $1 per month forever. And if you want to come into AI Werks and you don't want to set up your own store, you just want to start running all this stuff, come into aiworks.ai, sign up, and then just start using all of these prompts to get all your work done on a daily basis. So that's it for now. I hope everything's going well. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Goodbye.